Hey, this is Steve at Raybuck Auto Body Parts. I want to show you something real quick. Working on my 73 Ford F350, but this applies to a lot of vehicles, cars and trucks from the 60s and 70s. Light switch. How to get the knob out of the dash. So you might have this whole dash instrument cluster and a surround and everything, the plastic trim like this here. All these knobs seem to be different. On this truck, I thought I would have just pulled it right out, but I was yanking on it. I thought I was actually going to break it, and then a buddy of mine, actually Walt, who has a 67 K10 pickup, said, hey, there's a little release button in the back of it. So I was able to get this whole bezel tilted forward a little bit, and I could lean up over. Now this one's loose because I already took it out of the hole, so I could show you. We lean up over, and it's hard to see, but there's this little teeny button up here, spring like lever action button. You push that little button down and this knob will come right out. It pops right out. So if you're having a difficult time getting the last knob in your dash out, which is probably the light switch, get everything tilted forward enough that you can get your finger in there, and right on top of the ridge, right behind the ridge on the top of this light switch, like I said, just push straight down with one hand, pull out with the other one, this knob will come right out. I'll actually set the camera down for a second, I'll pull it out and I'll show you how what it looks like, but it's super easy. Okay, there it is. That's it. Literally, that's it. So you push that down, this thing slides right out, and then you can take this fitting. This was in this hole. I just unscrewed this before to take the whole switch out. So I'll unscrew this, put it back in, and then I'll slide this back in. When you slide this in, I think you just have to push that button back in and push it in. So here, I just took the whole switch out of the dash so you could see that little push button. That's it right there. So you just push that in and pull out on the knob, and that's it. Hopefully that helps you guys out if you're trying to figure out how to get this thing out of the dash. Thanks for watching.